Good morning students. I am SK Theory from Kendriya Vidyalaya Masrat. Today I am going to teach you class 10th mathematics of chapter pairs of linear equations in two variables. Students, in these chapters we will study about the pairs of linear equations containing two variables, while in our earlier classes we have studied the linear equations one containing the one variables. Now in this chapter we will study about the conditions of pairs of linear equations in two variables. Let us start our chapter. Students, in this chapter, first of all we will see the different situations and which you already we have come across in your daily life. Let us take one example. Akhila went a fair in her village. She wanted to enjoy rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla, a game in which you throw a ring on the items kept in a stall, and if the ring covers any object completely, you get it. This such type of game. Akhila went fair to fair and they wanted to enjoy in such type of games. The number of times in these games, the number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. If each ride cost rupees 3 and game of hoopla cost rupees 4, how would you find out the number of rides she had and how many times she played hoopla? Provided she spent rupees 20. Maybe you will try it by considering different cases. If C, one ride is it possible to have two rides and so on, or you have used the knowledge of class 9 to represent such situations as linear equations in two variables. You can see in the figure also. Let us try to this approach. Donate the number of rides that Akhila had with X and the number of times she played hoopla by Y. Now the situation can be represented by the two equations. Y is equal to 1 by 2x. So in the next we can write 3x plus 4y is equal to now 20. Can we find the solutions of these pairs of equations? There are several ways of finding these, which we will study in this chapter. So students, in this chapter we will study about the framing the equations of two variables as well as per their conditions. We will also solve the equations by different methods. So recall from the class 9 that the following are examples of linear equations in two variables. As for example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. On such cases, x minus 0y is equal to 2, that is x is equal to 2. We also know that equation which can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a, b are not both zeros, is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. We often don't denote the conditions a and b are not both zeros by a square plus b square not equal to 0. You have also studied that a solution of such an equation is a pair of values, one for the x and other for the y, which makes the two sides of the equation equal. For example, let us substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in the left hand side. So LHS of the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Then LHS is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which is equal to the right hand side of the equation. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is solutions of the equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now let us substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7 in the equation. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Then LHS can become 2 into 1 plus 3 into 7, that is 2 plus 21 is equal to 23, which is not equal to the right hand side. Therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7 is not solutions of the equation. Geometrically, what this means? It means that the point 1 1 lies on the line representing the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and the point 17 does not lie on it. So every solution of the equation is a point on the line representing on the it. Now students, in fact this is true for any linear equation, that is each solutions xy of a linear equation, two variables x plus by plus c is equal to 0 correspond to a point on the line representing the equation and vice versa. Now consider equation 1 2 given above. These equations taken together represent the information we have about a pair. These two linear equations are in the same two variables x and y. Equations like this are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us see what such pair look like algebraically. The general form for pair of linear equations in three variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are all real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, as like a2 square plus b2 square also not equal to 0. So we will take some examples also. As for example, 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 9x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to y and minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Also x plus y is equal to 7 and 17 is equal to y, like this one. You can take the several examples, and by taking the examples you can also see that in 9 classes you have a study that the given two lines in a plane, only one of the following three possibilities can be happen. The two lines will intersect at one point, or two lines will not intersect, that is they are parallel. Two lines will be coincident. There are the three possibilities, and these possibilities also we can show through the figures. So figure 3.1 is shown the different three cases. Students, you watch this video and share the ideas. You feel any kind of the difficulties and doubts, share to me. I will clarify it. Thank you.